Earning money through trading Amazon stock involves buying shares at a lower price and selling them at a higher price. However, it's essential to remember that trading stocks, including Amazon, carries risks, and you can also incur losses. Here are some steps to consider if you want to trade Amazon stock. Educate yourself, understand the stock market and how trading works. Study fundamental and technical analysis to make informed decisions about when to buy or sell Amazon shares. Choose a reliable brokerage. Select a reputable online brokerage that offers a user-friendly platform and competitive trading fees. Ensure the brokerage provides access to trading Amazon stock, AMZN. Develop a trading strategy. Create a well-defined trading plan that includes entry and exit points, risk management strategies, and clear criteria for buying and selling Amazon shares. Start small. Begin with a small investment or a practice account to gain experience and test your trading strategies without risking significant capital. Monitor market and news. Stay up to date with market trends, company news, and other events that can impact Amazon's stock price. Use stop-loss orders. Set stop-loss orders to protect your capital from significant losses in case the stock price moves against your position. Avoid emotional trading. Emotions can cloud judgment. Stick to your trading plan and avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your funds into one stock, including Amazon. Diversifying your investments can spread risk and improve your overall portfolio stability. Be patient and disciplined. Successful trading requires patience and discipline. Don't expect immediate profits, and avoid chasing short-term market movements. Consider long-term investing. Instead of active trading, consider a long-term investment approach if you believe in Amazon's growth prospects over time. Trading stocks, including Amazon, can be risky, and past performance is not indicative of future results. If you're new to trading or unsure about making investment decisions, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor or conducting further research to enhance your knowledge. Additionally, never invest money that you cannot afford to lose and only trade with funds you are comfortable risking in the stock market.